একটা জায়গায় এখানে তো ইয়ে থাকবে, আমি আবার ইয়ে থাকবে এখানে কি মতো নিয়ে উপরে গ্রাম জুড়ে রাখছে
to announce that in the city of Agartala, we have constructed 100-seated women college hostel in the premise of the women college. Just now I visited. Almost 30% work is completed. It will be completed by within 8 months. The project is very big. About 100-seated girls college girl hostel. Already construction is going on. And secondly, now a rest house. As you know, we don't have a rest house in Agartala city. Now, Kumari Madhuri local guest house, tribal rest house, already almost completed. Within one week, we are going to inaugurate. We also have found around 64 bedroom available here. In this 64 bedroom, there are 4 bedroom will be for VIP, for women and men, male and female, and also there for handicap. For disabled person handicap, we have 4 room for them. So this is a very big project. Within a week, we are going to inaugurate this rest house. As you know, in Agartala, there are a lot of 1,000 people came for their patient. They came for treatment and for admission in the college, the school. So there are a lot of people that do not get the accommodation. They cannot go in the hotel. So this is our long demand, and we completed already. Now within a week they will be available. Our people can stay here with the minimum cost. The tribal development department is looking after this rest house, and this Kumaribot has rest house. We also have earlier, but it is not functioning. But this newly building we have almost completed. Therefore, I believe from now onward they will be available for the guests who will come from far-flung area, who came for their business, who came for hospital, who came for admission. All these people will be accommodated in this rest house. So I believe in future that things is going on very smoothly. And also recently we have laid foundation stone for the tribal rest house come market set in the Lake Chomani. That will be constructed already. Foundation is going on. There will be target at a 4-story building. There will be big project. Then we have already placed the fund. Within 8 months, they are also supposed to complete this project. This is the first time in Tripura that we have got the shopping complex for the people of Tripura, especially for the indigenous people of Tripura. And thirdly, we have also recently inaugurated that the Tribal Research and Cultural Institute near in the Agartala, that is Lambuswara. That is also a very big project. This is the first time in the history of Tripura that Tribal Research and Cultural Institute going to be launched, and the project is very big. All our artists who are doing research, who are doing the performing arts and culture will be displayed there. There will be hostel accommodation, there will be training center, there will be a university building. Big project. This we are going to start already. Therefore, I believe this is also one kind of our achievement that we need the research work. Because Hasidu Tripura has a long history, we have a long dynasty. That thing will be come up in the research document. Therefore, I think this is our small achievement. Within 3 years, BJP the government, their performance, their activities, the people is going to realize what is our performance, our activities. Therefore, even we have seen recently, our Honorable Minister of Finance, Nirmala Sitharaman has came And she also announced that there are a special package is provided for the indigenous people. Around 13 crore fund was placed for the development of our indigenous people, especially for the infrastructure, for the education, for the livelihood. All these things will be taken care of. And lastly, very important, again I want to announce, we have around 500 crores also have got from Northeast Council, that is especially for the Halam community. As you know, there is a Halam community, also very backward class. For them also there is a special package is given for their livelihood project, infrastructure, community development. All these things will be taken care of. The Halam community will be benefited because they have given already 500 crore. And again, for Orang community, this is called Adivasi. The Orang community also they given 500 crore for their development, for their livelihood project, for infrastructure, housing, all these things, and education. That fund will be placed within this sector. Therefore, I think this is the first time in history of Tripura that we have got this kind of package, this kind of fund for development of our community. And as you know, BJP acting government, we are only 3 years running government. Within 3 years, there are a lot of various projects we have got and activities going on, work is going on. I believe within the few months, within the years, 2022, everything will be changed. The total picture, total scenario of our state will be completely changed. So therefore, people are realizing and people are now thinking that only BJP acting government can perform the development work. That is, you know, we have already our Honorable Prime Minister is very kind enough, and Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah is very kind enough that he is taking special care for the development of our people, for the development of our state. Thank you.